The Galleri blood test, developed by healthcare company GRAIL, will be piloted from the middle of next year with 165,000 patients, 140,000 of whom are aged 50 to 79 and who have no cancer symptoms but will have annual blood tests for 3 years. Another 25,000 people with possible cancer symptoms will also be offered testing to speed up their diagnosis after being referred to hospital in the normal way. People will be identified through NHS records and approached to take part. Anyone with a positive test will be referred for investigation. Research on patients with signs of cancer has already found that the test, which checks for molecular changes, can identify many types that are difficult to diagnose early, such as head and neck, ovarian, pancreatic, esophageal and some blood cancers. If the NHS program shows that the test also works as expected for people without symptoms, it will be rolled out to become routinely available. Officials hope the test will meet the NHS long-term plan goal of increasing the proportion of cancers caught early, which can be the key to reducing cancer mortality. Patients whose condition is diagnosed at stage 1 typically have between 5 and 10 times the chance of surviving compared with those found at stage 4. In England, around half of cancers are currently diagnosed at stage 1 or 2, but the NHS long-term plan is aiming to increase that to 3/4 by 2028. Sir Simon said, "While the good news is that cancer survival is now at a record high, over 1,000 people every day are newly diagnosed with cancer. Early detection, particularly for hard-to-treat conditions like ovarian and pancreatic cancer, has the potential to save many lives. This promising blood test could therefore be a game-changer in cancer care, helping thousands more people to get successful treatment." This trial again confirms that the NHS is at the forefront of cutting-edge treatments and technology. Results of these studies would be expected by 2023, and if outcomes are positive, then they would be expanded to involve around 1 million participants across 2024 and 2025. Paul Farrow, professor of cancer epidemiology at the University of Cambridge, questioned the value of the pilot. He said, "The Galleri blood test is a test that might be able to detect cancer in the blood in individuals with early cancer, though the evidence that it does this effectively is weak. There is no published evidence that this test is an effective test for screening for cancer, so one has to question the aims of the pilot. The NHS should not be investing in such a test before it has been adequately evaluated in well-conducted, large-scale clinical trials."